Apartman TV. Alright, I am officially 3 months into my renovation. Somehow I missed a week, so I'm gonna call it 12 weeks. Let's see what's going on inside. Let's see. Since we were here last, I hung the 2 bedroom doors. Used those old doors I gotta have from Humanity, and luckily they fit pretty well into the openings, and I didn't have to mess with these ones as much as the bathroom door. The size was pretty much right. Got that cool hardware. Classic. And then, yeah, my son's room just got a real similar door. Put that threshold in, switched out the one that was there because it was all busted up because there was a height change from one room to another, and I think they just used, you know, a board that was flat on the bottom. So this one, it's that last piece of maple I had, it actually is cut up to conform to the variation on the floor, so that when you step on it, it won't over time bust. So that looks pretty good. I guess I'll just paint it. I also cut out a void here to fit this piece of old longleaf reclaimed pine in, because I think I showed you guys before that the 2 rooms, there was originally a wall here, and so the floorboards were run and butt here. So to make it look clean, I had to put in a new board there, and had to add a little bit of framing on each side of that joist under the house. And then I did a little bit of patching here, which was really trickier than I thought it was going to be, and didn't come out perfect, but it looks better than what was there, where someone had run a saw along the boards and taken out a bunch of material for some reason, to the point where it couldn't be sanded out. So hopefully what's here now can be sanded out, and then I'll just fill all these nail holes everywhere. And the floor is not perfect, so obviously not perfect. And I'd like to patch more, but I don't think there's really like time. When I was doing the floor, I also pulled down and capped 2 gas lines. There's one back here behind the tool bag, and there was one in the bedroom right there. So they're just capped under the house so that there isn't a little nipple poking up into the room. I also built this the top for this little half wall, and tiled it and grouted it. It's got this cool kind of 80s tile, made in Mexico. Looks kind of cool, sort of like beachy, mellow, modern. And you can see how there's plywood, and then hardy backer, and then thin set tile with a wood edge that's painted. Basically just went with a painted wood look everywhere in the house, just because it's really easy and cheap. Since I try to get the best like common boards I can find at Home Depot, and they're really cheap, and you know, can provide enough material to kind of go around the whole house pretty easily. I also plumbed the sink, so we got this cool modern faucet. Thing's got some serious water pressure. We got that online, and got a good deal on it. It's like some foreign make. And so I had to redo all the plumbing under here to connect to the waste over here, and like reconfigure all the scoop ball stuff, as well as a little bit of funny stuff with the supply lines. But it works, nothing's leaking, so that was cool. And then in the bathroom, I tiled the shower, went up to the ceiling. These are real similar tiles to what's on the half wall out there. They're kind of speckled 80s. It's It's really hard to see with this image, isn't it? It's gonna be really grainy. Anyway, take my word for it. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know. 80s, mellow, modern. It's cheap. Got these tiles for $5 a box. It was only like, 30 bucks for the whole shower, which was cool. And I like it. It's kind of different. Tub looks a little grungy. Still needs a deep cleaning. What else? Yeah, I think we're gonna go with a gas dryer, washer, stackable in here. So I just set up this gas line so that this is what they told me they needed at Home Depot in order to be able to install the dryer. And I got the mirror in. I switched it up from what was there before. If you guys saw it, I can't even remember, but just put these little mellow clips in the corners. Look pretty cool. Anyway, I think that's all that's happened up to now. I've got a door over there that I got in Habitat as well for the back door. Just a big pane of glass, like pine. And I'm trying to fix that opening because everything's sort of out of square, out of level. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.